Hey, how's it going, everybody? Wanted to run you through a quick video on Splassive. So for the next 24 hours, at this time, right now it's 9:06 p.m. on the west coast of California. So we have about, let's see, it's launched about 1 p.m. our time. So we have 16 hours left. So if you're watching this video before, call it noon Pacific Standard Time on March 25th, here in the United States, go ahead and get on Splassive.com. And if you've been looking at the protocol or if you've been wanting to get in, there's no better time than now. There's currently no fees on buys, as you can see here. There's no fees on deposits, and there's no fees on your compounds. So if you're already in Splassive, this would be a good time to also compound your current Splassive tokens. So wanted to make you aware of this and show you that the new interface for the Splassive website is pretty cool looking. They've updated all this stuff. As you can see, there's a 2% daily return. There's currently 5,515 players in the Splassive quote unquote game. There's been over 32,000 transactions. The max supply is 1 million tokens. Splash network or Splassive is on the Avax chain or the Avalanche chain. So if you're not familiar with the Avalanche chain or Avax, you would need to add the Avax chain to your MetaMask wallet, the Avax network. In order to do so, if you have a drop-down menu here, just click on Add Network. I will put the necessary information to add Avalanche to your MetaMask, and then you would need to get yourself some Avax tokens. So if you wanted to get some Avax tokens, all you would need to do is hop over to CoinGecko, and you can put in up at the top part of the screen in the search bar, go ahead and put in Avax. And this will show you where, if you scroll to the bottom, it'll show you different exchanges where you can purchase your Avax tokens. So if you already have Binance, or if you have Coinbase or Crypto.com, or so on and so forth, you can kind of look through this list and see where you have the ability to purchase Avax. Once you've purchased from one of those exchanges, you would then send it to your MetaMask wallet. There's a video link in the description below helping you to go through all that. So jumping back into Splassive.com on Telegram, this was from the dev team. So right here, my dev team just informed me of all the fees are gone, including deposit, but there is a contract baked in transfer fee that happens when you make a deposit because the contract is considering the transaction a transfer, so that can't be changed. Therefore, that fee will be airdropped to everyone after the 24-hour window. So basically what they're saying is if you've incurred this fee, they're going to airdrop you whatever that difference would be for that fee. So if they charge you the 10% fee and you're not supposed to be charged the 10%, they're going to airdrop you whatever that equivalent was for those Splash tokens. So this is also only on deposits. So if you do not make a deposit into the tap, it won't apply to you. But wanted to make you aware of this. Again, if you're watching this video, this is only going to last until about 12 or 1 p.m. on March 25th, Pacific Standard Time. So get in on this as soon as you can. If you've been interested in Splash or Splassive, now would be a great time to explore. I've currently been in Splassive since pretty close to launch, and they've done everything they've said they're going to do. So this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes, but wanted to make you aware that the relaunch event was taking place and you could save on some of the fees and deposits and all that good stuff. So if you have any questions about Splassive, or you need a buddy address, mine is going to be located in the description below. If you'd like to support, I'd appreciate it. And as always, thank you for taking a look, and hope to see you back soon. All right, take care.